Hey, if you are a bodybuilder, if you are a trainer, or if you go to the gym every day for a heavy workouts, and if you are planning to buy a best bodybuilding supplement to regenerate your muscles, to gain muscle mass, and to help your body prepare for the intense workout, then you are at the right place. Because in this video, we are going to review the top 4 best selling bodybuilding supplements which can help you to achieve your goals faster. But before we do the review of these bodybuilding supplements, let me tell you by keeping which factors in mind we have chosen these supplements for you. First of all, we have kept in mind that every bodybuilding supplement should have a high quality ingredients. Second thing, we have kept in mind that every bodybuilding supplement should not have any side effects, rather they should be safe for your health. And the third and the last thing, we have kept in mind that customer feedbacks of every bodybuilding supplement should be positive. So after taking these 3 important factors into consideration and doing detailed research, we have chosen these bodybuilding supplements for you, which we are going to review in this video today. So by not wasting much more time, let's get started. The very first bodybuilding supplement is Nutrigo Lab Regeneration. Friends, Nutrigo Lab Regeneration is a food supplement which you can use after training or workouts. The main aim of this bodybuilding supplement is to regenerate your muscles, to replenish lost energy, and to reduce the muscle pain associated with intense workouts. Every professional athlete can use this bodybuilding supplement who actually wants to support the process of post-workout regeneration of the body. This bodybuilding supplement is made up of high quality ingredients like PeptoPro hydrolysate, OptiPep protein hydrolysate, and BCAA amino acids. Due to a large dose of these ingredients, this bodybuilding supplement not only regenerates your muscles but also quickly penetrates your muscle tissue and bypasses the metabolic process, and this keeps you charged up. The each serving of Nutrigo Lab Regeneration contains 5000 mg OptiPep, 5000 mg PeptoPro, 4000 mg BCAA, 1000 mg citrulline malate, and 1000 mg AKG 2:1. The second bodybuilding supplement is Nutrigo Lab Mass. As its name suggests, this bodybuilding supplement helps you to build your muscle mass effectively. This food supplement is specially designed for those professional athletes who wants to get high quality muscle mass, who wants to increase their strength, and who wants to accelerate the muscle growth and to improve their body efficiency. This food supplement is a mix of 3 different types of protein, that is V isolate Isolec, and V hydrolysate OptiPep. These ingredients not only helps you to gain muscle mass quickly but also stores the glycogen much faster, repairs the muscle damage after heavy workouts, and helps you to achieve your preset goals much faster. The each serving of this supplement contains 23.35 gram of protein, 3000 milligram of creatine, 57 gram of carbs, 2000 mg BCAA plus I-glutamine, and 357 kilocalorie. For more details, you can check out the link of this bodybuilding supplement given below in the description tab of this video. The third bodybuilding supplement is Mass Extreme. This bodybuilding supplement also helps you to build muscle mass quickly and effectively. The ingredients like fenugreek extract, 4-amino-butyric acid, D-aspartic acid, phosphatidic acid, 5-deoxy-adenosylcobalamin, and maca root extract are used to prepare this formula, which helps you to increase muscle mass by up to 96%. The Mass Extreme is a unique mixture of strong substances that immediately boost energy, quickly sculpture your physique, allows you for more intensive training, and increases your strength and power. This bodybuilding supplement also includes the patented formula like Pro Growth and Massive Testo Activator, which makes Mass Extreme the #1 modern bodybuilding muscle mass supplement in the market. Not like other bodybuilding supplements, but this Mass Extreme contains the capsules which are safe to use and does not cause any side effects. For more details, please check out the description tab below. The fourth and last bodybuilding supplement is Nutrigo Lab Strength. This bodybuilding supplement helps your body to prepare for the intense workout. You have to take this supplement before workout. This food supplement is especially dedicated to bodybuilders, fighters, and runners who wants to prepare their muscle for intense exercise and who wants to reduce the feeling of fatigue associated with training. The Nutrigo Lab Strength is made up of ingredients like creatine, red night, N-extra and citrulline malate, which helps you to increase metabolism speed, endurance and muscle strength, and it also helps you to improve exercise performance. The ingredients contained in this bodybuilding supplement also helps you to reduce stress, increase physical and mental fitness, increase muscle pump, and also it helps you to accelerate the readiness to undertake the training. Each serving of this supplement contains 4000 mg of creatine, 250 mg of red night, 300 mg N-extra, 3000 mg of citrulline malate and 18 active ingredients. So friends, if you want to know more about any of these bodybuilding supplement in detail, then I have given the link of each supplement below in the description tab of this video. You can directly go to the link and check out these supplements now. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Till then, take care and goodbye.